Hi, welcome to Learnzilla. And if you have been watching our previous video, we have been discussing about the very crucial re-level job placement tournaments conducted by Unacademy. So now you have an opportunity to get placed in these unique companies and startups. These are India's finest companies which hire on re-level score. So you have 500 plus job opportunities in 50 different companies offering packages up to 15 lakh per annum. So what are the variety of jobs you can apply and which are the tournaments you can participate? The first is business development tournament, which offers 300 plus jobs. Front end development tournament, you get opportunity for 100 plus jobs. Back end development tournament, you have opportunity for 100 plus jobs again. Now the question arises, how do you prepare for these tournaments and how do you cover the syllabus in a short period of time? Let me suggest you the Learnzilla mobile app. Learnzilla app is a comprehensive placement training app. Now coming back to the home screen, let us see what the Learnzilla placement training app offers. So we have 783 videos and 87 hours of content covering the complete syllabus, not to mention tests, notes and mock tests. So let us see subject wise what we cover. We cover quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and written communication, data interpretation. Then we have technical MCQ or computer science fundamentals and programming videos. It covers all the important part of the syllabus of the tournaments. It covers general aptitude, technical aptitude, computer science fundamentals, and even you can watch some programming videos of C and Java. But most importantly, we have the mock test for the re-level tournament based on its pattern and syllabus. So let us go to the mock test section of the Learnzilla app. Here you can take the general subjects like quantitative aptitude, reasoning and data interpretation, verbal ability, programming MCQ or computer science fundamental mock tests, or you can get the mock test of all major companies like Cisco, Cognizant, HCL, HP, IBM, Philips, Oracle, Infosys. Here you can see we have re-level Unacademy general aptitude mock test and re-level Unacademy technical aptitude mock test. We will be covering re-level tournament mock test in complete detail in subsequent videos when we individually discuss the syllabus of front-end development, back-end development and business development. But let us take a sample mock test for re-level general aptitude. So let's start a test. Here you can take the mock test unlimited times. Here on this page, this 10 test. When you complete the 10, you can take the test as many times you want, and each time the question changes. Let's start the test. So you can see the duration 60 minutes, consists 3 sections: quantitative aptitude 20 questions, reasoning and data interpretation 20 questions, verbal with 20 questions. And the pattern follows as in the website. You'll be awarded 1 mark for correct answer and half a mark will be deducted for the wrong answer. Let's start the test. So I'll be randomly answering questions just to show you how it looks. I just want to show you how the mock test. So you can see the timestamp. Okay. You can answer the question, verbal ability, I'll attempt. So actually there are 20 questions in each section. I'm just attempting limited questions just to show you a sample. Now I press submit. And this is the most important part. I have not attempted all, but you can see the time taken for correct answer 1, incorrect answer 6, total 150. So overall, you can get subject-wise analysis and detailed solutions. So each answer has a detailed answer below. You get wrong answer, the right answer, and explanation. So this covers the mock tests. Now coming back to the home screen, let us see all the topics and subject covered on the LearnZilla app, which will help you ace the tournaments. So we have topics like quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability and written communication, data interpretation. Then we have technical MCQ, which is mainly computer science fundamentals and programming videos. So we'll be covering all the subjects in detail when we discuss individual syllabus for front-end development, back-end development, and business development. So for example, let us open quantitative aptitude and see the topics covered. So quantitative aptitude has 229 videos and 101 tests. So we have numbers, elementary math, geometry and mensuration, algebra, commercial maths, time, speed and distance, time, work and wages, clocks and calendar. Let's open one of the topic subjects. So numbers. So number we have HCM, LCM, number system divisibility, number series, progressions, set theory, averages, mixtures, allegations, probability, permutation, combination. See, we'll be covering all these subjects in detail in subsequent videos. So let's open one more topic, HCM, LCM. So you can see we have videos, tests and notes. So let's see one of the videos. In the video, let us watch our instructor and subject expert Joy Datta and IIM alumni explain the concept HCF LCM by solving it on screen. Let's watch the video for a few seconds.
So here 2 comes twice. Here 2 comes just once. So I'll take 2 twice. 2 into 2. Now in the first one the 3 comes just once. Whereas in 18 3 comes twice. So I'll take 3 twice. Whatever occurs maximum time. So LCM is nothing.
Pausing the video, I'd like to tell you that we have more than 783 videos covering aptitude, programming logic and many other subjects. If you see just one topic HCF LCM, we have 12 videos. Now coming back to the tests. Now let us take a sample test to show you the features, solution and time analysis at the end of it. So let us start a test. So I have to solve 5 questions for 5 marks. In the end, I'll get a complete analysis of my answers. So let us start the test. You can see here the timer starts. This is very important, which we'll note later. Which of the following set of numbers represent the factor of 28? I think the answer is 1. You go to the second one. Which of the following set of number does not represent the factor of 36? I think the answer is 3. Which of the following set of number represent the multiples of 3? I go for this. Which of the following set of number represent the common factor of 72 and 108? I go for this. See, remember we solved 4 questions in 44 seconds. Then the last question. Which of the following set of number represent common multiples of 3 and 7? I think answer is 2. If we are confident of our answer, we press submit or we go and change our answers. So we press submit, we'll ask for confirmation, we press submit again, and this is the most important factor. So I got 3 out of 5 correct. So you can see the time analysis. This is very important. It took me 21 seconds to solve this, 20 seconds to solve this, 26 seconds. So this I did it very fast, but in real life situations you have to solve for the answer, and for this tournament the maximum time allotted per question is only 36 seconds. So this time analysis is very important. Once we practice on this app, you can be proficient enough to give the test. Now let us see the solutions, the detailed solutions. Here we not only give the right answer, we give the complete solution in detail. Number 2, this I was wrong on number 3, so only 3, this one. So here again you can see the complete solution, the factor 72, 108, and the 5th one. So this is the one of the sample tests which you can give on the LearnZilla app. Now coming back to the same topic of HCF and LCM, we know that we have videos on the app, we have tests, and most important we have notes which will give you tips and tricks, formulas, and common example of the same topic. Now coming back to the home screen, similar to quantitative aptitude, we cover other topics like logical reasoning. So we have decryption patterns, logical puzzles, data sufficiency, and each topic has a subtopic: analogy, coded inequalities, coding, decoding. So similarly, if you go to verbal ability, we have topics, grammar, and subtopics, sentence correction 1 and 2. Then we have again subtopics under verbal reasoning. Then we have critical reasoning, all comes on the verbal ability. Then we go back to, these are just all the topics and subject covered, technical MCQ or computer science fundamentals. So let's open one topic. So we have subtopics covering all basics, operators, arrays. Then we have programming video, the complete C programming course in video form. We have 234 videos or 37 hours of content. Then come back to programming videos, we have Java programming. Again, we have 132 videos, around 21 hours of content. Other than covering most of the topics for the tournament test, we have two special topics called Smart Maths and Psychometric tests. Smart Maths will help you find shortcuts for multiplication, division, percentage, square root calculation, cube root calculation. So it's like Vedic mathematics, will help you simplify your calculation when you're attempting quantitative aptitude. Then we have psychometric test. When they test for your emotional quotient or emotional intelligence, these answers will make an impact, especially during the interview phase. Now let us go to the unique feature exclusive to the LearnZilla app. We not only give you the solutions, we also track your statistics. Means every test you have given, the score is recorded here. So I got 3 out of 5 once. Test 2 I got 1 out of 5, bad score. I have not attempted 0 of 5. Same thing in logical reasoning. All the tests you have given, what was the last recorded score is recorded here. Verbal ability I have done better. So here I got 0 out of 5. I got 4 out of 5. All these results. So let's go and check. From here, right here, you can go to your solutions page and see where you made a mistake, how much time it took for each section, and see the detailed solutions for each to improve on your test. Now we come back to the other part called history. In this section, every activity is recorded. All the tests you have taken, every video you have taken, or how much of the video you have seen. For example, this test. So you can go back to the same test and review what was the answer and solutions. So these are some of the most important features of the LearnZilla app. So I will leave you here with a short clip about the LearnZilla app explaining all its unique features.